Welcome to our crib! In our room, as you'll see, we incorporated a lot of vines and stuff so it can give that like homey and cozy vibe. Over here is my bed. As you can see, I have tons of blankets because I like it to be nice and cozy for those chilly nights sometimes. Over here, I have my desk and then my calendar with all my classes. And then to coordinate, I do my classes with, each class has a color so I can see what assignments I have due the next day.
So over here, I have a record player. And then under my bed, I actually lofted mine all the way up so I could do kind of a chill out area whenever I get stressed. I can just come under here, close the shades and take a nap if I want. I would say the first thing that people notice when they walk into our room is how good it smells. We have a lot of like, I would say Scentsy stuff. Like we have Febreze and we have this little Scentsy thing. So people always come in and they're always like, wow, it smells amazing in here.
The first thing I noticed was all their decorations. Like they have a lot of leaves on the walls and they have a lot of cool like LED lights and like that skull LED light.
I feel like all their decorations are just very cute. It makes it cozy. Cute.
Like all of these decorations I just brought from my room to make it feel more homey. I feel that like that's kind of a life hack. Like don't buy stuff that you're not used to seeing around because it makes it feel kind of like a strange place. If you just bring stuff you've always had with you, it makes it feel way more comfortable. All right guys, thanks for coming to our crib. See you later.
Bye.